Welcome to iHandy.com. Got a special occasion and need to tie a tie? Ashley is here to help. Extend the wide end of your necktie about 12 inches down from the narrow end. Cross the wide end over the narrow end. Turn the wide end back and underneath the narrow end. Wrap the wide end back around the front. Pull the wide end behind and up through the loop. Feed the wide end down through the front of the loop. Lastly, hold the narrow end and slide the knot up. You now have what is called a 4-in-hand knot. Enjoy!